Welcome to ViPR Publishing. We've been walking through the 4 pillars behind Prompted by Feelings. Today is Pillar 3, Practical Use. Because once AI becomes useful, it stops feeling intimidating, and it stops feeling like something that replaces people. It becomes a tool that supports your thinking. Here's the simple promise for today. I'm going to give you 3 practical prompts you'll use every week. Not for tech stuff, for real life. And if you only use one of these, you'll still feel the difference. All right. Prompt 1 is for communication. Emails, texts, messages that you want to sound clear, but not harsh. Here's the prompt. Communication prompt. I need to write a message about. Topic. My goal is. What you want. The tone should be calm, respectful, and clear. Please write a short version, 2 to 3 sentences, a medium version, 5 to 7 sentences, and one friendly closing line. Then ask me one question to improve it. That's it. If you've ever stared at a blank email, this saves time and stress. Now, prompt 2 is for planning. A checklist. A simple plan. A what do I do next moment. Here's the prompt. Plan and checklist prompt. Help me make a simple plan for project. My time limit is, example, 30 minutes today. My experience level is beginner. Give me the next 5 steps in order. A short checklist. And the 1 step I should do first. Keep it simple. No jargon. If you want to reduce overwhelm even more, add this line. Only give me 1 step at a time. That turns AI into a calm guide, not a fire hose. Now, prompt 3 is for information overload. Long videos, articles, notes, even a messy brain dump. This prompt turns too much into clear next actions. Summary next steps prompt. I'm going to paste something below. Summarize it in 5 bullet points, 3 key takeaways, and 3 next actions I can do this week. Then ask me one question to personalize the next steps. That's the whole trick. You don't need AI to be flashy. You need it to be useful. And once you have these 3 prompts, you'll start using AI like a tool you control, not something that controls you. Now let me connect this back to the heart of Prompted by Feelings. When you're emotionally overloaded, simple practical steps can be a form of emotional relief, because clarity is calming. So here's your tiny challenge. Pick one of these prompts this week. Use it once. Then notice what changes. If you want the free prompt guide, it's linked below. And if you join the email list, we'll send beginner-friendly prompts each month. Next time, we'll finish the Pillars series with Pillar 4. That one is about making this sustainable, without pressure, and without burnout. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. And remember, you're not being replaced. You're learning how to use a powerful tool, 1 step at a time.